Happy Sunday. Hi, everybody. First of all, I'm super excited that we have this many people because that just shows how many people are interested in Sculptra. And I love Sculptra so much, obviously. I'm Dr. Joelle Lieman. The aesthetics world for me is something I'm good at. I absolutely love it, and I'm getting paid for it. To me, that's your dream, right? So I always tell my students, find your why. When you're ready, take the plunge. Okay, let's reconstitute. So you take your Sculptra box, open your box, share, there's 2 in there. And then you pulled it back with all the air out. Yay, so you're not gonna get Sculptra in the face. One choice of what you're charging, and remember, that's your time. See, do you feel that difference of ligament? So it's clogged, it's on the piriform. You wanna see if you can get airflow, then you get airflow, and then you press.